BitBoy Crypto. Shiba Inu is the next Bitcoin. Watch this if you hold 1 million Shiba. Do you want to replace Bitcoin, the most popular crypto, with something more powerful, but aren't sure how a meme coin could replace something as large as Bitcoin? And like the majority of people, are you also unsure about investing in a coin like Shiba Inu, whose value fluctuates all the time? Well, when it comes to cryptos, no one can really beat Bitcoin. But according to recent trends, Shiba Inu appears to have done so. Hello and welcome back to Shiba Inu Coins. Today we will reveal all about why Shiba Inu will literally explode to become the next Bitcoin and how it will take the place of the most popular crypto out there. For more videos like this, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Shiba Inu, a popular meme coin, was launched as a direct competitor to another popular meme coin, Dogecoin. But with the trends and price movements, it appears Shiba Inu has come a long way and is now putting up a serious fight against none other than Bitcoin, the most popular crypto out there. Shiba Inu coins are currently trading at $0.00002761, representing a 4.53% increase in the last 24 hours. Since its launch, Shiba Inu coins have performed exceptionally well, and initially skyrocketed in popularity after Vitalik Buterin notably burned his share of the SHIB supply. Shiba Inu reached an all-time high with a current market cap of $18 billion in October 2021. The cryptocurrency increased by more than 133% in just 4 days, reaching an all-time high of $0.000088. Shiba Inu prices have never returned to that level, and its overall status for this month appears to be declining. But the Shiba Inu certainly knows how to stay in the spotlight, adding to its ever-increasing popularity. Coinbase, the largest crypto exchange in the United States, added Shiba Inu to their platform on September 17, 2021. Shiba Inu's price increased by over 40% in the following 2 days as a result of this news, bringing the meme dog token back into the spotlight. Other exchanges such as Bitso, Giotis, and Corbit have since expressed interest in Shiba Inu as well. With a massive 43 million more views than Bitcoin, Shiba Inu literally barked the most in 2021, becoming the alpha among dog-themed cryptos. Shiba Inu was also the first cryptocurrency organization in India to reach a capitalization of more than $1 billion last year, earning it the status of a Bitcoin replacer. Additionally, the Shiba Inu is distinguished from Bitcoin by its underlying technology. Bitcoin, a digital currency, could be used as money. Firms are using Ethereum's blockchain to build new apps rather than just holding digital currency. Meme coin supporters believe that this will lead to a brighter future for Shiba Inu. A decentralized trading platform, Shiba Swap, is also made available by Shiba Inu developers. Aside from trading, staking, and benefiting from SHIB tokens, this platform offers a variety of other features, one of which is an eye-catching feature that gives Shiba Inu an advantage over Bitcoin. Shiba Inu coin has taken steps to demonstrate that it has the possibilities to become an investment asset, despite it being started as a joke, thanks to the cryptocurrency's decentralized developers willing to experiment with community building and parodying Dogecoin. Shiba Inu had been recovering quite well over the past month, reporting a good trend, and its investors even made a good profit after the coin once again entered the spotlight, when the creators of the meme coin teased about a possible collaboration with Coinbase, the biggest crypto platform. Intriguingly, the Shiba Inu SHIB cryptocurrency has increased by 50% in the last week, owing to the news that the token will be accepted as payment in a fast food chain. People's interest in this meme coin skyrocketed in recent days when the news of it being accepted as a mode of payment broke out amongst SHIB investors. Newegg, an American electronics retailer, added SHIB at the beginning of December 2021, even collaborating with cryptocurrency payment platform BitPay to enable SHIB payments. According to payments firm CoinGate, SHIB has now been adopted by over 500 merchants, with even Samsung-backed digital wallet provider Zengo adding SHIB to its possible choices at a restaurant in Paris, accepting it as a payment option. In fact, the Shiba Inu community attempted to persuade McDonald's to accept Shiba Inus on social media at one point, but the efforts ultimately failed. Over time, the SHIB decentralized meme token has evolved into an ecosystem that includes the Leash and Bone tokens, the Shiba Swap, decentralized exchange, and the Shiba Incubator for non-fungible token (NFT) art. Creators of the Shiba Inu recently announced the most exciting news developments. Shiba Inu tokens are finally all set to enter the digital space, the Metaverse. Shiba Inu's founder, Ryoshi, stated that Metaverse success will lead the road for the Shiba Inu's future projects' entry into the Metaverse. The Metaverse domain has become one of the extremely fast in the cryptocurrency space, thanks to the entry of social media behemoth Facebook. Shiba Inu developers are currently building its Oshiverse metaverse. We are working on several different and unique aspects of Shiba Inu, such as Shibarium, the decentralized Shiboshi game, incubator, and much more that will be visible in the near future, the anonymous developer further explained. The developers stated in a blog post on Tuesday that they will lead this metaverse sector and will eventually release Shiba lands for purchase and bid. The metaverse is a collection of shared virtual worlds in which people can interact as 3D avatars. In response to the news, the token rose to $0.0000349 on February 7th and 8th, up from a low of $0.0000174 on January 22. The developers went on to explain in their blog post that their goal with their entry into the metaverse is to disrupt not only the metaverse industry, but many other industries that operated in and around the crypto world. The developers surely feels like they are rushing with their future projects, but they firmly believed that their metaverse will definitely serve as the anchor in their long-term ecosphere as they add even more effectiveness, initiatives, and benefits for their beloved community called Shiba Army, which they believe is the best crypto community out there. Explaining further, they talked about how investors would be required to own Dogecoin leash tokens, which is yet another token developed by the same creators. By holding these leash tokens, involved investors will be given a spot in line to the Shiba Inu metaverse. According to the blog post, when the virtual land goes on sale, they will be even able to purchase it first with leash tokens. This came as a huge surprise to everyone because no other cryptocurrency has ever created their own metaverse to date, making Shiba Inu the first. As a result of all this, Shiba Inu tokens have seen relatively positive growth trends and are once again in the limelight. It would be interesting to see how Shiba Inu metaverse will ultimately turn out in the future, considering it would be a completely never-done-before thing, and investors are clearly expecting a lot given the price rise of these tokens this week. There is a lot of speculation about Shiba Inu prices as of now. The coins are expected to reach 0.0000581 by the end of 2022, and then overtake the previous high and reach 0.0000918 by 2023. Shiba could be worth $0.0000159 by the end of 2025, and according to the data, it could reach $0.0000196 in 5 years, which surely seems incredible. However, according to other estimates, Shiba Inu is likely to remain in a fairly tight range over the long term, with the price rising from an average of $0.0001642 in 2025 to $0.00010134 in 2023. Well, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency markets are still extremely volatile, making it difficult to predict what a coin's price will be in a few hours and even more difficult to provide long-term estimates. Only a few crypto assets have the ability to outperform Bitcoin in any category. Shiba Inu, on the other hand, has been able to achieve the unachievable by becoming the most popular crypto of 2021. There's no way anyone can stop Shiba Inu from exploding and taking a surge now that the metaverse has become a new part of Shiba Inu coins. Aside from it now being used as a payment option at most places, well, investing in Shiba Inu appears to be a profitable option right now. So, after conducting detailed research, if you deem it suitable, then you can start investing in this crypto, as anything said in this video is not meant to give you financial advice. This brings us to the end of the video. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to receive early updates. See you at Shiba Inu Coins again soon.